Hi my friends, welcome to the Diamond Painting Effect with Corey. I'm Corey and today we are doing a product review for a company called VIP Crosstitch. I love VIP Crosstitch. They have thousands of kits to choose from. They are mostly needle art and not so much no diamond paintings with them, but they have beautiful. It's always hard to choose whenever I go to their website. This is a purchase that I bought for myself. I've been seeing this pattern around and I thought it was really pretty. It's the Aurora Borealis and I thought it was pretty, and so let's get into it. If you go to VIP Crosstitch and you use the code Corey07, you'll get a 7% discount. And that's what I did when I ordered this. I bought this myself. And that's why there's only one. I did have to pay $7 for shipping. I think it was $7.09 for shipping, something like that. But I got a 7% discount, and so the whole thing was under $20. So there's the picture. It is a 55 by 43 centimeter and it's a 14 count. So this is a fairly large cross stitch for me, and it's very small for me on the 14 count. It comes with this booklet. The back of the package over here has instructions on how to start and work this up and how to finish it off. It also has some stitches down here at the bottom for cross stitching that are used. Usually you'll only use a full cross stitch or sometimes even a half cross stitch and a back stitch. You look at the chart to see what kind of stitches you will be using, and we look over here. There are 40 colors of full cross stitch. There is a French knot that is used in this one, and there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 colors of back stitching that are used, and so that's how that works. Very pretty. The pattern is printed very clearly. It is the printed pattern on here will be different from what's on the canvas. And in some ways that's good. That's good. Other ways it makes it kind of difficult. When there is a question, you have to do some conversion and figure it out. Here are the colors for this pretty wintry scene. This is perfect for Ava. Stitching in the Interlake is doing winter in July, and Diamond Grandma is doing Christmas in July. And I think this would fit in either one of those programs. It does. There's white. There's this green color. I wonder, that's probably in the Aurora Borealis part. Lots of blues. Look at all those different blues. There's a little bit of purple and some grays. And we're going to flip this over here and see some of those colors a little bit better. Very pretty. They're on the floss card here with 2 needles. They are gold tipped. I think I can't really see that well. Maybe they're not. They're not. I don't think they are. Anyway, so you can work straight from here, or you can convert them to your whatever system you use for using your kit. And now we get to look at the canvas. This, I guess, is really kind of more the average size canvas that I work on, but I don't think I've got a 14 count this big before. And it looks like it is printed quite clearly. The O's are clear. These dots here, I'm guessing, are probably going to be French knots. Let me see. Yes, that's a French knot. In the 5200, that'll be a white color. And so there's They're going to have those white starry look all over. Let's look at another area up close. Those are stamped clearly. It's very easy to see what these symbols are. That's one thing I like about Joy Sunday, is they usually have really good printing, and you don't need to worry so much about whether or not they're going to be smudged or not. They have the symbols for the canvas are all across the bottom, and some of them go up the side. So when everything's printed clearly, you don't need to go to the pattern. When you probably will need to go to the pattern for the back stitching. It has up here, it has the title of the kit, the number of the kit. I don't really know which one's which over here. Over here it tells you that it's 256 stitches, 258 stitches wide by 194 stitches high. So that is that. It's a little bit stiff, but it's very, I bet it'll break down so quick and be easy to work with. And there you have it. I usually, when I do my kits, I do a photocopy of this along here and make floss drops with it. These over here are the same colors that are over here, so I'll put these stickers on like this is color number 38. So when I make my floss drop for color number 38, I'll put both of those stickers on my floss drop. So that's it. I think this is a beautiful kit, and I can't wait to get started on it. Winter in July and Grandma's Christmas 23. It has dual purpose, and I think this is a really nice kit, and I can't wait to get started. Don't forget, if you go over to VIP Crosstitch, you can use my code Corey07. It lets them know that I sent you over there, and helps to bring more content to you. Thank you for joining me for the Diamond Painting Effect with Corey. Take care, and I'll see you again in the next one.